Welcome to Access a Trader, the #1 community for those who are committed to taking control of their trading in order to achieve success, profitability, and longevity. Thank you for joining us. Here's Dan Shapiro to help you find your edge, master your process, and own your future.
Hey guys, happy weekend everybody. Welcome to another edition of the AccessATrade.com Weekend Update Show. Hope everybody is doing well, recovering from Thanksgiving. Hopefully you guys are having a great start to your holiday season. Hopefully everybody's just happy and healthy and all that good stuff. Just enjoying life. Just a friendly reminder, if you are enjoying the content, all that good stuff, kind of watching us on a daily basis. Again, if you could be so kind, just take a second, click the like button, subscribe, share, come aboard if you haven't done so already. And for all you guys who are interested in pivots, again, we started Black Friday a couple of days ago. Great response. Great response really shows me how many people are, kind of looking, to kind of cement their foundation. That's a very, very important thing. Again, guys, test drive the pivots for the next 30 days. It's all it takes. All it takes to see if this is the right fit for you. Like I've been saying for years, I don't believe pivots are for everyone. I just don't. I think if you have a $500 account, $2,000 account, probably not for you. Again, this is kind of stage in this business, but if you are interested in pivots, again, $47 for the month. And again, just a reminder, one of you guys is going to be randomly selected to win a full year in the webinar. The winner will be randomly announced, I think, first week of January. So again, if you are interested in pivots, there's a link below, and come aboard. So basically it, right? So month of November has come and gone. Market's still strong, right? Not really a lot to split hairs here. Sometimes you don't need to overthink the tape. Even the strong stocks we're aware of, and I'm always prepared on both sides of the market. Tesla, perfect example. Nvidia, perfect example. But again, we trade the channels, okay? I don't trade the stock and hoping it goes up or down. I trade the channels, and I really don't care which way it goes until it gives me a technical confirmation. And the market has been great this year. It really has been great. And now you're in this 3-week cycle that all these small cap stocks are just going absolutely nuts. Even I trade one of these stupid things, and I say this in the nicest way possible, on Friday, right? From 80 cents, the damn thing was trading at $1.30 after the close. So my point is, it's a very, very aggressive market. New traders, old traders, guys that I know are really trying to hammer these in the next couple of weeks, just because how aggressive the market is, because eventually it's going to stop, right? These little stocks, and they're going to eventually end. They give you 3 or 4 weeks a year, and then it's it. And then you have to kind of go back to kind of grinding out in your own individual process. But for now, the market is good. And when the market is this aggressive, right? When it's aggressive and the momentum is next level, you don't have to overthink. So for me to sit here for the next 10 minutes to tell you how good the market is, okay, yeah, it's good. We all know that. This is the last month of the year. This 2024 has been phenomenal, which has been absolutely phenomenal. Traditionally, we have Christmas coming up. Cheers, Santa. Right? We have Cheers, Santa coming up. The Santa rally hopefully spills over into July with a quote-unquote January effect. So right now it's bullish. So instead of sitting here and tell you for the next 10 minutes how bullish it is, just take my word for it, right? In case you're a passive investor or a daily trader, you kind of know how it is. So instead of telling you how good the market is, let's talk about some names that potentially could be gooder, right? Could be good and could get very, very aggressive when they confirm their levels. The good part about going into this week is kind of my little comfort zone, right? Which is the mega cap technology space. And today we will cover some names that are attacking different levels of their channels. And if they do attack and successfully confirm those channels, they're going to be very, very good measured potential plays. So let's talk about them one by one. Each of them have a little bit different personality in their charts. But all in all, they are ready to attack their next level. Let's start off with the Qs, right? So the Qs, right down this level, guys, 511.5, okay? 511.5 is the high for this last week. Monday will be day 5. This is a full 5-day range. As you can see here, it hit the linear regression line on the daily. Any close on the Qs above that 511.5, 512 level will confirm this linear regression line, and we'll start attacking all-time highs at 515. Again, you don't need to be overly creative in when you're looking at your your plan of attack. Again, stocks are looking very, very good. So here are the names that I am watching for this week. Right, Shopify. Again, pretty basic stuff here, right, guys? Pretty basic stuff. You don't need to be an expert chartist. It gapped up on earnings, right? Came in for profit taking, hugged its 10-day moving average for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days in a row. All it needs to do is confirm earnings highs, and Shopify goes high, right? Sometimes, again, the most simplistic charts are the ones you don't need to overthink. Just press a button. Market is that strong. Look at Reddit, right? Look at Reddit as well. Reddit, kind of the same thing. Reddit had a big run on earnings, massive run, came in 3-4 days. And you can see here back to back in the last 2 out of 3 days, it's been rejected off the 5-day. The 5-day moving average for me is the shortest term sentiment. All it needs to do is get back above the 5-day moving average, and it should start attacking those highs from November 21, right? Really, pretty much basic looking chart. Snow. Right? Snow looks great. Absolutely great. Had great earnings. It's basically going sideways. All it needs to do is confirm earnings highs, and this thing should start its next leg up. Okay? That looks really good. Apple. Right? Apple is ready to go. Right? Go all the way back to July 15th. Why is that important? That's the yearly highs. Apple is a stone throws away attacking yearly highs. Again, basic charts. You don't need to be creative, guys. Basic charts. And once that option flow starts coming in, 240s, 245s, it should light it up. Look at Amazon, right? Look at Amazon. Yeah, this big move Tuesday, inside day. It's very close to resuming again. 210s, 212.5s, 215s. We started watching on Friday. Call buyers, short-term expiration. Again, basic looking charts. Now we get a little bit into well, let me give you one more that's kind of basic. One more that's kind of basic is Meta, right? All Meta needs to do is confirm the November highs. That's it. November highs. All it needs is to start getting some option flow, start coming in for the 600 Decembers, 600 Januaries. This thing's going to light up, dare I say, like a Christmas tree, and you have room all the way up into the 600 area. Just a matter of time. All it needs to do is confirm this 50-day moving average, and this thing will wake up. Tesla, right? Tesla has been absolute godsend. Again, I've been trading now 25 plus years. My top 5 favorite stocks have been Tesla, and Taser. For you guys who don't know Taser, Google Taser. This is Taser was Tesla before Tesla. Taser was arguably one of the greatest stocks ever to trade. If you were trading 2004 through like 2006, you kind of know how great Taser was. So my first 4 favorite stocks of all time is Tesla, and number 5 is Taser. Just a good place in my heart. So again, we had a great pivot a couple of days ago to the downside on Tesla when it lost its 10-day. If you guys remember on Wednesday's video, it reclaimed back the 10-day moving average. All it needs to do is take out this 3-day channel going into Monday or Tuesday. And if it does take out this daily channel, reclaiming back the 5-day moving average, it should start moving to recent highs. Pretty good looking chart there as well. Again, call buying coming in yesterday into weakness, Friday into weakness. And this thing started lighting up like a Christmas tree as well. And the last one is a trend reversal potential in Nvidia. So Nvidia came out with earnings. They ran it up pretty aggressively. It came in like 6 days in a row, reclaimed back the 50-day moving average. You see how it got rejected? You see this reddish orange line, right? You see how it got rejected on November 26th? Well, it got rejected in the same level there on Friday. All it needs to do is reclaim back that 34-day EMA, which will also confirm the 5-day moving average, and the video will start waking back up as well. So again, a lot of times in your career, you really have to fine-tune your watch list, your research, and all that good stuff. Sometimes it's just so bare bones. Sometimes it's so basic, and sometimes the momentum is so strong. You really don't need to be creative. Just go with the strong names, go with the mega cap names. And when their daily channels confirm, especially with the options market, right? Usually very aggressive things are going to happen. So that's it, guys. Short and sweet. 10 minutes in. Have a great remainder of your weekend. For all you guys who are taking the 30-day spin, I will see you on Monday, and I look forward to working with you guys. Have a great, great holiday season, and I'll see you guys with God's help on Monday. Take care.